Are you a writer and you want to earn more online? Welcome back to our channel, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys, because on our channel we discuss about various ways on how to make money online. So now in today's video we're going to be talking about this website right here, and it's called ACX. So what is the work of ACX, guys? So ACX lets you earn in dollars. Like if you are a writer, guys, you can literally turn your book into audiobook and you will literally make money from it when people listen to your book. So now let's check it out. As you can see here, it says get your story in front of millions of audiobook lovers. You can see here it says go direct to the world's largest audiobook network to tell your story and earn more selling on Audible and Amazon than anywhere else. So now if we scroll down, you can see here it says why ACX, and it says as the all-in-one marketplace for independent creators, we will help you create your audiobook, reach a global audience, track your insights, and optimize earning. So that's just how it works. And as you can see here, it says access creator tools, which means unlock our full suite of tools designed for next level audio entertainment. Find top narrators, perfect your project, and turn your story into a world-class audiobook. And the next one here says reach the right audience, which means get visibility among the largest network of audiobook lovers in the world with exclusive marketing opportunities for indie creators. And the last one here says earn higher royalty, which means create on ACX and take advantage of our exclusive option with Audible and Amazon to earn, which means track your success using our sales dashboard. So that's just how it works. As you can see here, the home of independent creators and everything, guys. So now let's go to this features section. So it's loading. So as you can see here, it says simple tools, powerful stories. So you can see here, create your project, take your story to the next level, find a narrator with more than 1 million narrator on ACX and dozens of times to search by. Will help you find the right talent for your project. And see here, produce your audio, which means step-by-step instruction and flexible payment option. Help you turn your words into audio. You can see here, whether it's your first time, fifth time, or 15th time. So that's just how it works, guys. So now let's go to how it works so that you can see yourself. As you can see here, a step-by-step guide for every type of creator. You see here, author, you know what, with no audio. Here we will support you in turning your project into something meant to be heard. You can see here, step 1, get started with your title. See, claim your title, which means create a free account and search for and claim your title to produce on ACX. So the next one here says create a title profile. You can see here, it says once you have claimed your title, create a title profile to receive audition from narrators. You will upload an audition script with a detailed description of the project and performance notes for narrators to use their submission. You can also search for narrators and make them an offer. You can see here, or you can do your whole narration. So that can also work. As you can see here, this is the step 2. Work with your narrator. You see, describe on payment terms, collaborate to make it real. And the third step here says get your story out there, put it in the front of audience. You see, track sales and promote your title. That's just a short definition of how it works, guys. So if you have any more questions, you can drop it in the comment section below, or you can just go to the help center to ask more information about it, guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.